Difference of two sets. The difference of the two sets is written as A minus B. Write it in the set form X such that X belong to A and X does not belong. ये हमारा A minus B होता है. यहाँ पे हमें एग्जांपल दिया हुआ है. So V and V are two sets. They are asking us to find V minus B and B minus B. डेफिनेशन से हम देखते हैं उसको फर्स्ट सेट में बिलोंग करना चाहिए और दूसरे सेट में बिलोंग नहीं करना चाहिए. वो सारे एलिमेंट यहाँ पे हम कैसे लिखेंगे? V minus B. V minus B will be is V. All the element जो B में है कैंसिल कर दो. ये A कैंसिल हो गया V में से, I कैंसिल हो गया और U कैंसिल हो गया. अब बचा क्या है? E and O. So you have and O. What is B minus V? तो एकदम वैसे ही करेंगे और B minus V में हमारे पास कौन से एलिमेंट कैंसिल हो जाएंगे? The one which are in B and not in V. So look at the B and cross the element which are in V. So this is in V and this one is in V. This one is in. I am getting A. All right. So I got this set. B minus B आ गया, B minus V आ गया. Now क्या हम B intersection V भी निकाल सकते हैं? B intersection V. What is common in V and V? Do you see anything common in V and V? Yes, A is common. We have this A here. दोनों में है. I is common. यहाँ भी है, यहाँ भी है. And U is common. So I have the element A, I, U. So this is B intersection V. हमने यहाँ हैशटैग लगा के कुछ दिखा रखा है. The set A minus B, B minus A and A intersection B are mutually exclusive or disjoint set. Disjoint set का क्या definition है? Nothing is common in means उनका intersection pi आएगा. If I find the intersection of these two, nothing is common. So their intersection is pi. Intersection of these two, nothing is common. And also intersection in first and third is nothing is common. That's what it means. A minus B, B minus A and A intersection B म्यूचुअली डिसजॉइंट सेट होते हैं. और इसको हम एक बार डायग्राम से समझ लेते हैं. A माइनस बी, बी माइनस ए. और अगर हम A सेट को ऐसे बनाया और हमने B सेट को ऐसे बनाया, तो जब हम कहते हैं A माइनस बी, व्हाट डज दिस मीन? A माइनस बी आपका A का वो पोर्शन है, हम दूसरे कलर से दिखाएंगे. A का वो पोर्शन है जो B में नहीं है. So it comes like this portion. Yes. Where? It is all over. This is A minus B. So we're gonna shade it thoroughly. This portion. This portion is A minus B. Okay. Okay. Good. Better. All right. Here it is A minus. Now what is B minus A? B minus A will be that part which is in B but not in A. Here we go. This portion. I'll shade it. This portion is B minus A. And now what is A intersection B? A intersection B is this portion inside here. We did it like this. So this region, now this set was set A, this was the set B, and this portion was A intersection B. If I can show it here, maybe in this here, okay, this portion will be A intersection B. And obviously all the three sets are disjoint. There is nothing common in these.